Hello guys, myself Trend Academy. Welcome back to this new video. So this is the episode 5 and in this video we are going to solve the Bandit level 8. So let's come to the topic, that is so in this level we have to find the password, and the password is stored in the file that is data.txt and it is next to the word millionth. Okay. So here are the commands which we need to use. We can use there is a manual page for the manual page. Let's say it. Okay. So here it is displayed like what is the use of the manual page which you can use on the client basis. So let's open the terminal. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, that's good. It's working. So in this level, we can use these commands like grep, sort, unique, strings, base64, tr, all of the things. But as I can see, there is only a single word. So for word, we need to filter out in the text file. That command will best work. In this is grep command. So let's use the grep command. First, let's log in into this ssh -p, then 2220, then bandit 7, and then the IP, and the password was saved in the previous the text file which we are using. So let's enter the it's level 7 to 8, so the password is correct, as I think. Just a minute. It's level 7, right? Yes, it's level 7. Just a minute. It's not working. Let's try the another one. This one, I don't think so. Yes. Oh, I was using the wrong shortcut. That was Control-Shift-C. So it was not copying anything. Okay. So we are inside this. Who am I? Bandit 7. If I will give the ls command, yes, there is a file that is data.txt. So let's see what is inside it. So if you will use the normal command, for example, cat data.txt, for viewing like what is inside the file, then you can see there are lots of things inside that. If you will control C, it will stop, but not instantly. So here you can see I need to press Control plus C 3 to 4 times. Okay, now it has stopped. So let's first clear the screen, then let's see. So for this we are going to use the grep command, grep, then single quote, and then you need to copy this. In the Linux system you need to remember where to press Control-Shift-C and where not. Then we have to give this command, data, just the file name, that is data.txt. Here we are using the grep command. Grep command do what? It will filter out the, you can say, inside any text file, it can filter out and give you the exact line which you are looking for. If you have any text in which you want to see it. Since the question says that the password is stored in the data.txt next to the word this. So you need to give this command grep, then millionth, the word which you want to filter out, then the file name. When you will press enter, boom, you got the password, and for this level the password is here. So we will save the password. I have already saved it. So let's move to the next level, but the next level will be in the next video. So this was all in this video. Bye bye. Regards, Trend Academy.